Good morning, students. Today we are going to study about how to determine hybridization and geometry of some of the molecule in easiest way. Before that, we are going to see the hybrid orbitals, their geometry and structures. Listen guys, hybrid orbitals. First, we are going to start with the Sp hybrid orbital. The geometry is linear. It has a linear geometry. Second one is Sp2 hybridized with the geometry trigonal planar. Okay, which appears to be in this pattern. Consider A as a central atom and it is bonded to three another atoms. But if any molecule with the sp2 hybridized contain one lone pair, the structure will appear as a bent shape. The lone pair will be here. The structure will appear as a bent shape. For example, SiO2. Okay. The next one is Sp3 hybridized orbital. The normal geometry without a lone pair is tetrahedral. Okay, without a lone pair, the geometry for the sp3 hybridized is tetrahedral. If any molecule with the sp3 hybridized consists of one lone pair of molecule, then the structure appears like trigonal pyramidal. The structure appears like trigonal pyramidal. The lone pair will be here. It is the geometry of trigonal pyramidal. The best example for it is NH3 molecule with one lone pair of electrons. If any molecule of sp3 hybridized consists of two lone pair of electron, then the geometry appears to be a bent shape. The geometry appears to be a bent shape with the two lone pair. The best example is water. Water molecule is sp3 hybridized with the two lone pair of electrons. Guys, next we will study about the sp3d. sp3d. sp3d is without a lone pair. It is trigonal pi pyramidal. The structure appears to be central atom having 5 bonded. This is for the trigonal pi pyramidal structure for a molecule with 0 lone pair of electrons. If any molecule with the sp3d hybrid orbital, if it consists of one lone pair of electrons, then the structure appear to be, the lone pair will be here, lone pair, and the remaining 4 atoms are surrounded in this pattern. The structure appear is of seesaw. The best example for it is SF4. If any molecule with sp3d hybrid orbital having 2 lone pair of electrons, structures appear to be in this pattern. And the shape formed is T shape. It is called as a T shape. The best example for this is ClF3. If any molecule with sp3d hybrid orbital consists of 3 lone pair of electron, the structure appear would be linear, consists of 3 lone pair of electrons. The structure appear to be linear, and the best example for this is I3 minus. Okay. Moving on to the next hybridization, that is Sp3D2, that is octahedral. The basic structure for the octahedral: the 4 atoms are on the plane, one is above the plane and one is below the plane. Okay, but if any molecule with sp3d2 hybridization consists of 1 lone pair of electrons, having 1 lone pair of electrons, the structure appear will be in this pattern. Structure is called square pyramidal. The best example for this is BRF5. Okay. Next, if the molecule with the sp3d2 hybridization, it consists of 2 lone pair of electron, the structure appear will be in this pattern. The structure will be called as a square planar. Structure will be square planar. The best example for is xenon fluoride, that is XCF4. Hope so you got the. So for Sp it is linear, Sp2 trigonal without a lone pair. If there is one lone pair, it has the bend shape. Third one is Sp3 hybridization, normal tetrahedral. If it consists of 1 lone pair of electron, it is trigonal pyramidal. If it consists of 2 lone pair, it is bend shape. Next, Sp3D hybridization, the normal geometry is trigonal bipyramidal, but if it contains 1 lone pair, it shows seesaw. If it consists of 2 lone pair, it shows T shape, and molecule with the 3 lone pair shows a linear structure for sp3d. Okay. The molecule with sp3d2 hybridization, the normal geometry is octahedral, but if consists of 1 lone pair, it shows square pyramidal geometry. If it consists of 2 lone pair, it shows square planar. Okay, moving for the next one. Last, that is sp3d3. The normal geometry for the sp3d3 is pentagonal bipyramidal. It is pentagonal bipyramidal. The normal geometry appears to be pentagonal bipyramidal above the plane and below the plane. But if any molecule with the sp3d3 consists of 1 lone pair of electrons, the structure appear to be consists of 1 lone pair. The structure will appear somewhat like this. Below the plane, and the lone pair will be here. Here will be the lone pair of electrons. It is called distorted octahedral. It's called distorted octahedral geometry. And the example is XeF6 consists of an 1 lone pair of electrons. If any molecule with the sp3d3 consists of a 2 lone pair of electrons, the structure appears to be the lone pair will be here 1, and the second lone pair is here. Okay, the structure appears pentagonal planar. Structure appears pentagonal planar. The best example is IF2 minus. Okay, the last hybridization, DSP2. The normal geometry for the DSP2 is square. It is square planar, and the geometry appears in this pattern. Best example, PTCl4. Hope so guys, you got the hybridization.